I am Vivek, a BTech Electrical and Electronic Engineering graduate. After graduate, I aspired to work abroad. Due to the lack of experience and skill in relevant job, it's become a barrier. So that's time I heard about the Wartens institution in Bangalore. Then I joined in October. I joined for the 3-month professional module course. Through this course, Wartens offer the insights into the significance of industrial automations. Also, it's offer the deep, in-depth training of PLC and SCADA, HMI, VR-based simulations, panel wiring, etc. And then through this, we can help to and understand the workflow of industrial automation, and it involve the input and output of the industrial automations. Then also include the real world industrial applications. So then after the 2.5 months, I was placed as an application engineer. That's a milestone to kickstart in my career in the automation. So this experience has been invaluable for to prepare me to the global opportunities. So with the Wartens headquarters in UK and their recruiting company OSCAPE, I feel like well supported to pursue my dream to work abroad. So thankful for Warten to shaping my career and opening the doors to my future.